So this is, unsa ni?
The senior dormitory.
dormitory
It's the dormitories for the grade 12.
Okay. Pagka-limpyo.
Yeah, this is divided into two. Each side holds 12 heads, 12 beds. So in one dorm we have 24 beds in all. So as you can see no, kanang pag-design ani is gituyo jud na ang colorings would blend to give each one kanang cool nga scene no. This. So as you can see, wala yung mga rooms pa because the population for the grade 12 is just 18.
So by grades siya?
Ang senior high by grades
Senior.
sila.
Sa dormitory.
Dormitory. But for the junior high is by mission sila. By missions. So this is the senior high dormitories.
So sa inyo, asa man inyo ha?
Nasa Pika side pero pareha raman sila.
Doon na nag-use ani karon.
Yes. Kanang na yung mga covers sila yung mga pan pero kani wala na sila.
So required ninyong limpyuhan after dapat neat gyud dapat.
Because you know the principle of our father rector is strict. He wants that the seminary is a bullying free environment, a silent environment, and most especially a very clean environment. So we value cleanliness here in the seminary, Jud.
So every seminarian required to clean his stuff.
Yes, it's most especially during long visits. We have a time allotted for dorm cleaning. So that before we leave, before the gate gets locked, dapat limpyo na sa tanan.
Kamu rin mag-limpyo, no?
Yes.
Di mo manuhol.
Dili ra.
Ang mula ba sa inyong bedsheet? Ang mula ba?
Kamera po.
Kamura po eh.
Mo rin lagom ang buwan.
You know, so fun fact about this dormitory o itong oratory which is na asa Taganiha, this was designed by our very own Reverend Father Ayan Balangkig,
Our
vice rector. So kani siya nag-design ani o katupong oratory which is asa Taganiha. Okay, so let's proceed.
Ito pa, katong di ka maumulog ba?
Ang dorm din
Bagat ang gyud. Pila ka ba niyo? Pila ka ba niyo?
Four bathrooms and 4 CRs. So if we proceed here, this is the priest's corridor. So usually it is off limits, but for the sake of the tour, we allowed the media. No? So this is the priest's corridor. This is the rooms for the priests.
Yes.
Ano yung quarters sa mga pari?
Where they can relax sitting here.
And meditate and reflect.
They have a very good view of the sky, so perfect to place here. And these kanang bougainvilleas, no, they are from our planted by our father rector. A very lover of plants.
Plantito.
Yes.
Mo ni ang kuan chapel,
Yes, this is a chapel.
the bigger one.
This is the seminary audiovisual room, AVR.
Oh.
So we usually have our practices here for the presentations, for instruments, and this is open for guests also who wish to have their venues, their events held. So this is the audiovisual room.
Okay.
Then the
May
chapel.
mga film showings.
By the way, your dormitory, you're not allowed to use aircon.
Ano?
Why?
Kay first kanang bugnaw naman sa siya.
Okay ra siya.
Then we also conserve energy po.
Yeah, maganda mo ko yung mga punuan sa palibot.
Bugnaw din siya. So this is our chapel.
Okay.
So dako gid siya.
So we have our community masses here. We have the joint.
Every day, your mass is
Yeah, we
here.
have masses every day.
So you're required to attend every
Yes.
every morning.
Yeah. We have our morning prayers at 6 and afterwards is our mass.
Here,
Yes, here.
the prayer, here side.
Okay, so
May Sunday Mass din for the public.
Wala.
okay, so this is St. John Marie Vianney Chapel, no, dedicated to the main patron of the seminary, St. John Marie Vianney. So this was built on the year 2016 when katong karaan nga minog naguba siya, automatic naghimo ang ato ang archdiocese niining usa ka luna. So during the IEC convention, that event, ini nga place nahimo ni siya nga oratory, no, para sa katong mga prayer warriors o sa mga uban nga mga religious organizations. So this was dedicated by Archbishop Jose Palma under the patronage of St. John Maria Vianney on last January 16, year 2016. Okay, so as we can see at the altar, the image of St. John Maria Vianney, the major patron, and the titular patron, which is St. John XXIII, displayed there at the sanctuary, since today is the 15th canonization of his sainthood. So at the back part of the altar, no, the left side of the cross, naa ang atong replica sa image ni Saint Joseph, which is very similar to the processional image of the national shrine of Saint Joseph there in Mandaue. And then ang pikas, the patron of Asilo de la Milagrosa, ang ato ang Our Lady of Miraculous Medal. No, so kini siya mo ni ang chapel diri nagtuyok ang tanan nga spiritual activities sa ato ang seminarians. Okay, so
That the chapel would be the end of our tour. No, thank you for listening to us. No, we are very happy to have you here to have the chance to tour in our seminary. So this time, let us proceed to the aula minor for the press conference.